Biotic and Abiotic Factors That Influence the Life of a Monkey by Kayla Nobrun. Biotic factors. Some biotic factors of a monkey include eagles, cougars, jaguars, leopards, or any type of jungle cat because they eat monkeys. Because of this, the monkeys try and protect themselves from these predators. Fruits, insects, and leaves are also a biotic factor for monkeys because they eat them and they need them to survive, the food that they eat. Some insects they eat tend to be spiders, moths, and beetles. These pictures below show a monkey eating one type of fruit that they eat, which is everybody is common to be known that they eat bananas, and beetles is another insect that they eat. Abiotic factors. Some factors include soil nutrients, sunlight, rain, temperature, and basically the environment. These factors affect the monkeys because they live in the wild. Temperature and how nature around them acts is crucial to what they do to survive. This is a monkey inside a rainforest and also another just picture of a rainforest. Interactions with biotic factors. Monkeys are prey to jungle cats and eagles, as I previously stated in these slides. Because of this, they try to protect themselves from these animals. One way they do this is by communicating with other monkeys through calls. Once they do the call, they know to hide from a predator nearby. However, leopards try to mimic a monkey call to lure them. This is a picture of a leopard, a type of jungle cat, with a baby monkey that they've called. Interactions with abiotic factors. One abiotic factor that affects monkeys is the rain. Some species specifically live in the rainforest. When it rains, they usually take some form of shelter by going into a tree or log holes, rocks, leaves, or underground until it stops. This picture represents a monkey under a leaf using rain for shelter. And this other picture is a picture of a tree hole, which is another form of shelter for these monkeys. Climate change factors. It has been reported that monkeys are facing potential extinction due to climate change. The temperature in their areas are experiencing substantial temperature increases, which are not good for them. In this case, the interaction is abiotic because it has something to do with the environment around them, which is not a living thing, since as we learned beforehand, that abiotic factors are non-living, while abiotic factors are living. So this picture that I used, I found on Google, and it represents the substantial temperature increases that has happened in the world with the climate changes that we are experiencing, how the world is getting hotter. And it starts at 1880 and it goes into the 2000s. And as you can see, it has grew substantially as I have found through my resources. And that is the ending of my project. Thank you very much.